Hi, Hank the Plumber here for Set Right Products. We have another great video for you. This one is about installing our toilet flange extender kits over an existing cast iron flange. This will give you a water and gas tight installation.
Now, we also have addressed the problems for a lead bend, cast iron, or a deteriorated flange. If you had a flange that was leaking, it had corrosion on it, or it was made out of lead or cast iron, we can solve that problem. What we do is we change from installing a gasket on top of the flange to installing a standard wax ring. If there's corrosion anywhere inside the flange, what we'll do is pack the corrosion with wax, fill all the voids, install wax rings on top of the flange up to or above the finished floor height. After we install the wax, then we go to the second step, which will be the same as the one on the gasket. We install the spacer. Again, you have the 4 spacers to install: 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. Push the spacer down around the outside of the wax ring until it's fully down, seated on top of the toilet flange. After you do that, we go to install the extender, the yellow extender again, but this time you'll notice on the bottom of the extender there's a special groove designed in the bottom of the extender in order to receive the wax. As we take this and we push this down into the wax, it will actually go down and compress. It'll compress into that ring that we've designed into our extender. And you'll see a completed unit over here, and this one here is installed on a lead bend. And if I take it out for you, you'll see the bottom is a lead flange on top of a brass ring, fully secured, installed with a wax gasket, our spacer and extender. We'll do the same thing with the screws. We'll use our 410 stainless self-drilling screws to screw it down to the floor, which will go through the brass ring or any standard flange. Now, the only exception to this would be if we installed it on a cast iron flange. We would do the same steps we just described, but this time we'll pre-drill the cast iron with a 3/16" drill bit, and our stainless steel screws will self-tap into the cast iron to secure it to the floor. Again, we've designed this so it's water and gas tight, and it's the only code-approved extender on the market. Now, you'll see here we have a cross-section on what it looks like with the wax, the spacer, and the extender installed, and you'll notice inside how that groove that we designed in our extender has been filled with wax and will be trapped in between the 2 flanges for the life of the flange. That provides a gas and watertight solution.